Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui. The ʻōlelo noʻeau, or the proverb for this week is o ke kahua mamua ma hope ke kūkulu. Let's try and say that. O ke kahua mamua ma hope ke kūkulu. Okay. And what that means is the site first and then the building. Now, this kind of has more figurative meaning, and Hawaiians are very strong believers on education, and what this meant was get a good, strong foundation of basic knowledge, and that which you can build up and learn new skills later. So before you do anything, build your site first and get as much basic knowledge as you possibly can, and then go and try for difficult tasks. So practice, build your strong foundation, and then you can see how high you can get yourself. Okay, kahua mamua ma hope ke kūkulu. Maikai, aloha.